Vishal and Shekhar, we worked with them for years. Rohit has worked with them for years, and they've come up with such a wonderful score. So we want to only thank them. इनके belief से, इनके गानों से, इनके lyrics से, जैसे अमिताभ के और भूषण के belief से, कि हमारे को ये freedom देते हैं और हमको guide करते हैं. So we are really happy, and you know, as the days go by, you will understand each song is very meaningful in the film, and I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy it. Okay, I'll tell Rohit and Vishal Shekhar, हमारा reunion हुआ है, फिर से शादी हुई हमारी. तुम्हारे साथ नहीं, मेरी दीपिका के साथ हुई है, तुम्हारी विशाल शेखर के साथ हुई है. तुम्हारी बैड लक खराब है, मेरी ठीक चल रही है. बट तुम अपने reunion की बात करो. शेखर तुम बोलो ना यार.
First of all, after Golmaal, हम लोग को, you know, we really wanted to work together, and the day I came to know that Chennai Express, Rohit Shetty, and Mr. Shah Rukh Khan, I was really excited as always, and it was a beautiful journey. We had a lot of fun, a lot of madness, a lot of jams, and it's one of the most memorable moment for us to, you know, stand here and release the music of Chennai Express. It's a beautiful feeling.
Actually, I wasn't going through any pain at all. The only person who had pain dancing with was Priyamani. Because the poor young lady had to keep on doing it again and again and again. और पहली बार मेरे साथ काम कर रही थी तो बहुत इज्जत दिखा रही थी. मैंने 4 बार बोला भी, I'm really sorry. No, I also like to rehearse a lot. I'm all right. बेचारी 3 रातों के लिए आई थी, 5 रातें वहाँ पे गंवाई इसने, और आखिर तक मेरी बहुत इज्जत करती रही. The only pain I had in my feet, I don't wear boots, though next time I do a film with Deepika, I will be on stilts. But it was very painful dancing, that's all. Otherwise, it was, and you should ask her actually, please tell them that I wasn't as bad as I've told you.
He wasn't bad at all. Like as he said, I didn't undergo any pain or anything. He's just being too sweet, that's it. And I think the experience was lovely, and I just like to thank Rohit and Shah Rukh and all the producers for having me a part of Chennai Express.
दूसरा क्वेश्चन है, हमारी रियूनियन हुई है, मैं अपने मुंह से अपनी तारीफ नहीं करूंगा, दीपिका मेरी करेगी. दीपिका प्लीज.
Please listening to me, so you.
No. You're the tallest. They can at least shoot you best. Go for it.
About our reunion?
Yeah. Poi mate. Po.
I don't know what to say. It feels the same. You know, for me, he's the same person that I've worked with in Om Shanti Om. He hasn't changed at all.
जितना था उतना ही रहा है.
He's as caring and protective about me as he was, and it's been an amazing experience working with him.
I need to tell you the scene which you all have to look forward to when the film comes. Inshallah, you'll enjoy it a lot. But there's a scene about Tangabali, who's our main villain and the baddest man in the world. और थोड़ा नीचे हो गया ऐसा टांग कैसे से कहते हैं टांग, ये न्यू कमर है तो मैं इसको दिखाता रहता हूँ ऐसा. So इसके साथ एक सीन है, इसके बारे में एक सीन है जो दीपिका करती हैं. तंगाबली विट्टा वड़ीवे, I think that is one of the विट्टा वड़ीवे ना, किट्टा वारदे, तंगाबली किट्टा वारदे, right? हाँ, तंगाबली किट्टा वारदे, which means Tangabali, don't come close. And that is one of the nicest scenes that Deepika, no, I think even Rohit, all of us feel in the film, who's seen it also and enacted it. One of the finest and the sweetest scenes, and Tangabali is an integral part of that scene. No, I've learned only Deepika telling me po. Every time I go close to her, which I don't know what it means. I'm assuming it means really nice. And whenever I go to hug her, she says po. Poi mate. So that's the only word which she told me is a term of endearment. I'll tell you the best part about wearing a lungi. You know, we were shooting, it was difficult times, we had many dancers and it was very hot. But lungi jo hai keeps it aired and nice, which was nice, it was very comfortable. I suddenly realized how it is when girls wear skirts. And I respect ladies even more now because, you know, I used to feel when I'm walking down, या मैं ऊपर जा रहा हूँ सीढ़ी वीढ़ी में कोई देख रहा है तो ऊपर देख रहा है. But my respect for women wearing skirts and men wearing lungis has increased many folds. मुझे अगर गुंडे घेरेंगे तो किस हसीना को मैं बुलाऊंगा?
बुलाएंगे बचाने के लिए, आपकी रक्षा करने के लिए. दीपिका को छोड़ कर. हाँ,
मतलब ये कोई
कौन से एंगल से हसीना लग रहा हूँ यार?
मतलब किस एंगल से?
आप किस एक्ट्रेस को, बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेस को आपके जहन में आएगी, या कौन वो फर्स्ट लेडी
पहले
आपके
तो
ध्यान
किसी
में
गुंडे
आएगी?
की हिम्मत नहीं कि मुझे सराउंड करे,
Imagine,
और अगर कर लेगा तो मैं लड़कियों को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? मेरे फाजिल दोस्त रोहित को बुलाऊंगा, निकेतन को बुलाऊंगा, देखो कितने लंबे चौड़े खा पी के सब एकदम पहलवान है, इन सब को बुलाऊंगा। कहाँ हीरोइन को क्यों बुलाऊंगा? हीरोइन को तो किसी और चीज के लिए बुलाऊंगा ना, ऐसा ना गुंडों से लड़ने के लिए बुलाऊंगा। तुम लोग यार।
No, I'm not blasting any train, but you'll have a blast watching this film.
Yes.